Hey all, welcome back to another random pack a day. I'm Pokemike and let's see what the wheel will give me today. Well, I was a little bit later clicking the wheel than normal. Well, I try to be. So, a Astral Radiance, yep, Astral Radiance. So, let's open it up and see what I get today. Let's, yeah. Let's see, I'm gonna guess a Fire Energy. Ooh, Fire. Another Astral Radiance code. That's what I will be trying to do when I guess correctly again, is to pull out another code. And nothing. So that was a white and another white. But in my opinion is you don't really notice much of a difference on the live or online with the codes from being black or white. Let's see, that's Astral Radiance one there. Yep. Put it there, and thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another video.